Good morning, vlog. Welcome to Vlogtober this is day 16, Friday, TGIF. Just up and about this morning and got a chance to put garbage out to the road. I'm getting ready to install something at my front door. But right now I'm just having a cup of coffee, holding you guys up. So, the other day, last night in the mail, I got another Amazon package. I purchased on the Prime days, which I think were, I don't know, was it like Tuesday or whatever? I went on to Amazon and realized that they were having all the Prime specials and stuff like that, and I picked up for $69 a Ring doorbell. I also got a free Amazon Echo along with it, which that hasn't come yet. And that's kind of weird because they said that was being shipped before the Ring doorbell, but I got the Ring doorbell first. So, it seems fairly simple to set up, but this is kind of what it looks like. I already have it. You know what? My watch is going off because I have the doorbell already like set up and ready to go. I have the app on my phone which is connecting to my Apple Watch, so I apologize if my watch keeps on going off. I'm gonna have to take my watch off for a little while. But what I need to do is I need to find a spot out on my front door and decide where I'm going to put the doorbell, because I really don't want it to replace my original doorbell. I honestly just want it for the camera, because we have had a lot of, like, you know, people trying to like break into your cars and, you know, just stuff like that around the neighborhood. So I want to kind of do my part with my Ring doorbell to capture the video footage and stuff like that. So I'm kind of excited to get that set up and installed outside on my front porch today. The past couple of days I did not vlog much at all, so I don't think I'm even going to upload footage for those days, so I apologize for that. Literally, it was working. It was me sitting at my desk working the majority of the time. Also today, the pool is finally getting closed, but it's raining out. So I'm unsure if they're still going to show up in the rain or not. I don't know. I'm waiting for a phone call from them to let me know what time they're going to be coming. But anyways, let me get off of here, get things set up outside, and try to see what I can film for getting this Ring doorbell installed. Okay, so I basically just put this up here and made sure it was level. I can't get up any higher. And then I just made 4 dots. And now I'm going to put my screw holes in. Okay, so I have a slight problem. The drill bit that they said I'm supposed to use on stucco or brick is not working. It's like not penetrating the brick. And I tried a bit that I had here that's the right size. That's not working either. So I gotta figure out what's going on. Wow, is that bright? Okay guys, so I gotta give you guys a little bit of an update. The doorbell was a pain in the butt to install. I ended up having to talk to Janine. Had Janine come over. We tried to troubleshoot it. We ended up having to go to a hardware store. I'll fill you in a little bit more on it later when later on. Anyways, I'm here to make myself up a little something for dinner. I'm not that hungry, but I had these soups that I wanted to try that I got from Aldi's. So I thought I would show them to you and kind of do a quick little like taste test of the soup and let you guys know what I think about it. So these are the soups. This is loaded baked potato, 290 calories a soup, microwavable. I'm trying to see what the directions say. Okay, so we can microwave it for like 4 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is interesting. I better read this because I don't know if I'm supposed to take it out of the, sorry for this, man, there we go. The sunlight, let me see. Place one soup. Oh, I have to put it in a bowl. Okay, so I gotta get my own bowl then because this just comes in a vacuum sealed container. So this is what it looks like just sitting in the bowl. We're gonna pop this in, it says 4 minutes and then let it sit for a minute, so let's give this a shot. The soup came out. Now the cheddar cheese that was on top actually like got all melted in, so I had to like sprinkle some more of my own cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna give a quick taste to it right now. Very hot. Oh, that is really good. Very good potato soup. I am so glad I got that. So the baked potato soup from Aldi's, big thumbs up. Okay guys, we have to have a slight update on the Ring doorbell situation. I attempted to measure out, I knew right where I wanted to put the doorbell, and I grabbed the bit that they gave you for to go into the mason, to go into the brick. They specifically give you this bit that's supposed to work with cement, stucco, brick, etc. This bit would not work with the drill, just would not work. I was using as much weight pressure against it, it just was not penetrating the brick. I even attempted to measure it so that it would go into the mortar, and I just didn't have enough. It wouldn't fit in, you know, lengthwise where the holes needed to be to go like into the mortar. That probably would be a little bit softer to go through. So what I had to do is I had to call in reinforcements. I had to message my friend Janine. She came over. We did a little bit of troubleshooting, decided to go to a hardware store called Harbor Freight down the road, and I picked up a brand new mason bit, and I also picked up for $22 a hammer drill. So the hammer drill literally has, you know, like a handlebar, almost like a bicycle handlebar, and it's supposed to put added like pounding pressure to be able to get it through the brick. That did work. However, what ended up happening is I got 2 of the holes to be deep enough. I got to put in the plastic little anchor things, and those little holes matched up exactly to the plate that the doorbell goes on. I couldn't get the bottom, I couldn't get the top 2 to actually go in. It kept on sliding. It was like kind of like on a crooked part of the brick. It just really, I struggled with it. I started getting one hole, but then it slipped, so I knew it wasn't going to line up. So what I ended up doing is I ended up just moving the camera, moving the doorbell to using just 2 of the holes on top, connected the faceplate, put the doorbell on, attached it, and now it's working. So I'll show you where I ended up installing it. So this is where I originally wanted it to go, with the top 2 holes right here, but you see it started sliding. So now I have these holes in my brick. But the doorbell is now installed. I have to clean this off. This has got brick dust on it. So when somebody comes up to the door, they have a choice of ringing the regular doorbell or pushing the Ring doorbell, which it's now making my phone go off because it's working perfectly. Anyways, lesson learned with these Ring doorbells. Be prepared if you need to install it on brick that you're going to need to get a better mason bit than what they gave you, especially if your brick is really, really hard. That was quite frustrating. The good news is that earlier today I got in the mail the free item that came. So with this Prime deal, in addition to the Ring, I also got an Echo Dot. Now I already have an Alexa, like one of the tall ones, and this is a smaller one. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this one yet, whether I'm going to give it away as a gift, you know, like a Christmas gift to somebody, or if I'm going to put it maybe in my makeup room if I want to listen to music in there. I already have a Bose like portable speaker upstairs in my bedroom, and then I have, like I said, the Alexa down here. So I'm not sure, but it came free. I think these were selling for like maybe 30 bucks. So I thought it was a really good deal for 69 to get both of these items. For those of you who might have stumbled across this vlog because of the Ring camera tags, hope this information was helpful to you, or for anybody who is thinking of purchasing a Ring camera, hopefully this information will help you in deciding to make a purchase and having everything that you need available currently to be able to make the installation as less painful as it was for me, because it was quite frustrating. That's why I shut off the camera. I didn't even record when we went to the hardware store. I was just so upset that I couldn't get this. You know, it's one of those things where you try to do this whole adulting thing and you try to take care of things for yourself, and when things don't work out, you get a little frustrated. I'm gonna end this vlog for today. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys.